Hello guys, welcome to my singing angler channel. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide and expert living now in Prague, Czech Republic. And today I'm going to open the big predatory fish season here in Czech Republic, somewhere in the middle of Czech Republic, in the middle of nowhere. And I'm going to test these new bait casting rods. And let's see what's going to happen. First of all, I have also some new lures which I will use for the first time, not only on this water but ever, and perhaps they will bring me some fish. Weather is quite nice, there is no one here, so I hope it will be an amazing day. So let's start. So guys, you might be wondering why I'm fishing now for predatory fish here before 16th of June, because on our government waters the season opening for predatory fish is 16th of June. So for a half year you can fish only for carp, roach and such a fish, and from 16th of April for trout. But on some government waters the owners exactly know spawning period for many fish, and they close fishing for pike from the end of March until middle April, and for Zander from the end of April until middle May usually. So now I'm ready to fish and no one can stop me. I will start my fishing today from this soft plastic lure because, you know, it's very common for Zander fishing, and then I will continue with some new lures, so I'm very exciting. But first cast I will make with this one. Oh. So guys, perhaps you know it's quite important to set the proper weight of jig head. This is 5 grams, this is 10 gram head, and I didn't feel the bottom with this one, so I hope this one and the double weight won't be too heavy. If will be too heavy and I will scratch the bottom, I will just change to 7.5 gram. So in case of fishing for Zander, the weight of jig head is very, very important. Oh, oh, wow. Oh. Wow. Okay, okie dokie. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, let's go back. Oh! Ooh! This was crazy bite, guys. It was really crazy. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I felt very good with this rod. This fish is heavier. This one is heavier. I don't know what is that. Zander, I guess. Much heavier fish. Wow, look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. Very nice rod. I love that. Sensitive but durable. Oh, this is a Zander, guys. This is a fish. Look at that. Wow. Look at that fish. Oof. Wow. This is Zander, guys. This is Zander, a monster. I don't know how many centimeters this fish is, but it's like, I think around 75, 80. Beautiful. So it looks like it might start raining in 1 hour and 1.5 hours or 2 hours. So I will switch to pike fishing and I will change my rod. This one is for medium light bait finesse fishing, 6.3 feet long, for lures from 3.5 until 14 grams and line from 6 to 12 pounds. So I will switch to harder rod because I will use definitely bigger lures for pike. This rod is 6.7 feet long, medium heavy, plus heavy duty. Wow. And for lure, maximum 56 grams. All right, I think it's the best choice for this lure. And I hope I will catch some pikes. I will cast directly to the bank because I think it's the best options now after spawning, when pike also wait for some small fish close to the bank because water is quite warm. So I think this lure, by the way, Swing Mickey lure, might work. Oh. Okay, unfortunately I missed the bite on the camera. And it looks like pike. It looks like pike. Wow. Alright, it's crazy bite, absolutely crazy bite, guys. Wow. Oh, look at that. Whew. Wow. Hey, no way. No way. No way. Oh. No way. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh. Oh. This is crazy. Oh, look at that fish. Almost 1 meter. Oof. Come on, come on. Come here. It's too heavy. Nice, it's too heavy. Oh. This landing net is too small. It's good for photo. Look at that fish. Wow. One eye blind. Yeah, that, this one from Finland. Oh. Жесть какая. Фу. Oh. Ah, thank you God. Wow, this is the fish. Phew. So guys, I can't fish anymore because my knees and hands are shaking. Phew, after such a big fish, it's second pike in this season here, and just over 1 meter. It's amazing. Thank you, such a nice rod. Wow, thank you. Unfortunately, I can't kiss this rod because it has 2 treble hooks, but anyway, guys, from Jackall, thank you very much. So amazing products you made. Whew. All right, perhaps a few more casts. What do you think? So finally it looks like it's going to start raining very soon, so I decided to stop my fishing. I'm very satisfied for today because I got one pike over 1 meter long, some nice Zanders, and I tested these amazing rods which I can even more than recommend you. These BPM rods, they're very lightweight, durable, and also sensitive. And sensitivity you need definitely when you fish for Zander. Now, my name is Oleg, I'm a fishing guide, an expert living in Prague, Czech Republic. I wish you good luck, tight lines, and God bless you.